What's up, everybody? Thomas here. Today we're going to be replacing sieve and doing an oil seal on a Chevrolet Orlando, but here it is now. It's already here, so let's get right into the video. Thomas here, we back. Today we're going to be replacing CV axle seal on this 2012 Chevrolet Orlando. So I already replaced CV axle, but unfortunately the seal is leaking, so we're gonna have to replace it now. So we got a new seal from National Oil Seals. I've just taken off the wheel, and we're gonna take off the axle nut now. It's a 32 mil. No problem whatsoever. That's pretty sweet. So the CV axle is freed up now. We can drop the tie rod off, and then drop the lower control arm out, and then we can pull the CV axle out. So a couple of they got damaged when I was reinstalling the CV axle. Two, since it was a used CV axle, it was already kind of worn, and the seal itself was already worn, so it could have just been the fact that since both parts were worn already, they didn't really meet up together good and they didn't seal properly. So that's also another possible cause. So we got where'd the hammer go? Oh, there it is. Tie rod and the control arm. Tie rod's out, and not the control arm, but the sway bar end link is here. So we just have to, here, out of the way for a second, please. Lift up the little, pop out the tie rod. There we go. Now it's time for the lower control arm. Now, since I've already done this, everything was already lubricated and cleaned up from the last time I did it, so that makes it real easy. You just take everything apart. That's the tie rod or lower control arm bolt out. There we go. Problem solved. Now we can pull the CV axle out. Got it. Now I'll throw the drain pan underneath here, catch the fluid, and let me grab a pry bar and we'll pop it out. And you get in there and you give it a big kind of push. Yeah, unfortunately, car needs to go out more. And you just give it a good. Here, can you hand me the hood prop? There we go. Pop. So I just have to get it right on that right angle. And just, yeah, seal. Yep, one seal removed. That's garbage. Not too bad. Install the new seal. We're just going to throw a little bit of Silk Glide on there around the edge of the new seal just to make sure it'll slide in properly. Right. Seal driver. And just tap it. just need to get this out of the way. Put it over on this. There we go. Just this side needs to go in a bit more.
Maybe now go with smaller one, push it further, or it's okay?
It should kind of lock in. Yeah, just this bottom part. And maybe we will try this one. Because it should sit inside on the lip there, so. Alright, that looks pretty good. Oh, I think that's in there. Excellent. Alrighty, so the new seal is installed. Yeah, feels pretty good. So now, next is of course to put everything all back together again. Because there could also been a burr or something on the shaft here. So we're just gonna clean it up. Cleaning up the CV axle. We're just gonna throw a little bit of Silglide on it when we install it, so that slides right in very nicely. There we go. Then we take our hammer. Where's that? There it is. Thread this nut on a little. Hammering in the CV shaft. There we go. It's gotten it locked in.
Do you hear like some click or something?
We have everything else. Oops. Transmission pin.
Reassembling the rest of the front suspension and putting the wheel on.
There we go, the non-capped brake clean. Yeah, there's a little clip down here.
Just a little bit.
Try now. There we go. Move the ECM out of the way.
Hold it. Oh, no.
Is it pouring everywhere?
Yeah.
No, we need a bigger. Yeah, where we're at. Oh, it's yeah, it's pretty full. Alright, I think that's. Well, it's nearly full.
No.
Maybe a bit more.
2/3, maybe a bit more.
Yeah.
Or up to me. That's good enough.
Yeah, that should be full now. Yeah, that's. Yeah. That's a secret trick. Oops. There we go. Oh no, it won't shift gears now. What the hell? Thomas, you blew my car. Let's go. The Orlando leaves. What's up, everybody? Thomas here. We just finished fixing in Orlando. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Drop a like, drop a sub, eat some cheese. Let's go.